House Orlach ruled as a Knight House of the Imperium during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy. Holding dominion over the death world of Darkhaven within the Cyclops cluster, House Orlach began its reign during its colonization of the planet during the Dark Age of technology. A planet burgeoning with deadly organisms and fatally poisonous fungi, colonization of the planet would be arduous, continually incurring famines. Able to defend against the parasites, predators, and fungal growths of the planet, the Knight Houses of Darkhaven would endure. Their genetically engineered heritage allowing their progeny to adapt to the planet's deadly atmosphere and propagate into the 31st millennium. Discovered by the First Legion of Adeptus Astartes, the Dark Angels, House Orlach would pledge their service to the Imperium of Man. Their knights fighting within hundreds of war zones, House Orlach would comprise of approximately 300 knight suits with the end of the Great Crusade, comprising predominantly of Quaestordis and Cerastus patterns. Yet with the beginning of the Horus Heresy, the War Master would invade the Cyclops cluster. House Orlach would combat the forces of the War Master, commanded by the rogue trader Chariad Undine, and report the incident to their sectoral authorities. Yet their plights would fall on deaf ears. Meanwhile, knights dispatched to reinforce the Loyalist war effort would face the traitors. Ravael Orlach would fight during the Manachian War, piloting the Knight Paladin Sorrowful Dawn, whilst Alshar Orlach would pilot the Knight Lancer Pilgrim of Dread on the world of Numenal. His death on the world leading to his knight being salvaged and gifted to Nassala Orlach due to her heroism during the Battle of Calth. Resisting until the end, Darkhaven would become unresponsive from communications of the wider Imperium. Under investigation, the Lunar-class cruiser Kabir would discover the Death World to be abandoned. Despite their homeworld being ravaged by the traitors to the throne, House Orlach would fight again during the Crusade of Iron alongside the Legion Praesagius, carving their vengeance across the stars against the traitorous Chaos Knights for the loss of their home and their champion, Alshar Orlach.